Question 14, we've now moved on to integers. And integers, I think the best tool that you can use with integers to solving integers, well, at least I certainly prefer it, is using a number line. I really do think of integers as being a directional thing, left and right, positive and negative, and with 0 being the center of the number line. So you've got all your negative values, your negative integers to the left, and your positive integers to the right of 0. So with question A, what I do, and I do this fairly roughly, so I'll just change my pen color. I just start with the initial value, which is -8, and I then look at the next operation, which is plus 6, and that's telling me to move in a positive direction. So basically, I need to move 6 units, and hopefully that shouldn't be too tricky. That means that we're now at -2, and then I look at the next instruction, which is -19. So that's basically telling me to go back 19 places. So from -2, going a further 19 places, I'm going to end up with, and sorry, this is pretty rough, but I'm going to end up at -21. So just writing out the steps, you would basically have -8 plus 6 is -2 minus 19, and then -2 minus 19 is -21, and that's that's part A. Then part B, let me just quickly rub out this work on the number line. Part B, we start at 9. So once again, I just pick this is a rough sketch, it's not accurate, you're not actually doing any measurement here. Start at 9, and it tells me to go 15 minus 15, so that's 15 units to the left. So minus 15, and it's good to kind of use 0 as a reference point. So from 9 to 0, that's 9. So carrying on from there, I'm going to have to go a further 6 units basically from 0. So I'll end up at -6. So I've sort of broken it up into 2 parts. There's the 9 and the 6, and hopefully you know your bonds 9 and 6 is 15. That's the total move of 16. And then from -6, it tells me I have to go plus 24. So that means that I've got to move 24 units to the right. And I'm just going to change color just so we can see that. So I've now got to go plus 24 units. So once again, using 0 as your reference point, just to get from -6 to 0, that's 6 units. And I still need to get to 24, and that will require me to go a further 18 units. So that means that my final answer is going to be 18, but writing that out, I would start with 9 minus 15 is -6 plus 24, and that will be equal to 18, and we've done part B.